We found this blue Rolls-Royce abandoned in a junkyard, completely covered in dust and grime.
The grille is dirty and rusted, and headlights are clouded, requiring polishing and restoration.
Blue Rolls-Royce body shows scratches, dents, and rusticity. We'll straighten and repair these panels.
The bottom frame is covered with dirt and rust, needing a full underbody clean and rust treatment.
Trunk is seized and rusted to lelt. We'll restore hinges, locks, and clean inside thoroughly.
Interior untouched sound. Seats, dashboard, and controls are coated with dust. Rolls-Royce leather seats are cracked and faded, will be cleaned and conditioned.
Dust-covered gauges and controls need restoration to function properly.
This is a complete restoration project. Every panel, every part will be revived.
Tires and rims are scrubbed to remove thick mud layers.
Foam covers the blue body for a gentle, deep clean.
Revealing the original blue paint underneath years of grime.
Polishing and restoring clarity to headlights and chrome grille.
Vacuuming seats, carpets, and corners to remove accumulated dust.
Cleaning buttons, gauges, steering column for restored functionality.
Exposes flooring for deep cleaning and detailing.
Blue leather begins to regain color and suppleness.
We remove all four wheels to check brakes, tires, and suspension.
Brake rotors are rusted. Pads and calipers will be replaced.
Blue Rolls-Royce lifted for full underbody inspection.
Front bumper detached to access rusted frame and grille. Chrome grille preserved and polished separately. Mirrors removed, cleaned, and polished to restore shine. Doors carefully removed for interior and paint restoration. Engine bay exposed. Mechanical inspection begins.
Battery replaced. Electrical system checked for full functionality.
Every engine part removed, cleaned, and inspected.
Grime and rust removed from engine block and cylinder head. Worn belts and hoses replaced for reliable operation.
Oil, air, and fuel filters installed new.
Metal parts polished, restoring the engine's original look. Electrical system restored. Car ready for testing.
New rotors, pads, calipers installed for safety. All tires reinstalled and balanced.
Shocks and springs replaced, ensuring smooth ride.
Hammer and dolly straighten body panels.
Imperfections removed for smooth surface.
Rusted spots treated to prevent future corrosion.
protecting details before painting.
Blue Rolls-Royce body, primed for paint adhesion. Royal blue coat, applied evenly over body panels.
Multiple layers ensure deep, glossy blue finish.
Protects paint and adds shine.
Blue Rolls-Royce old model begins to gleam like new. Blue leather restored to original softness and color.
Interior trims repaired or replaced for a perfect look.
Gloss restored, buttons functional.
Flooring upgraded to brand new condition.
Blue Rolls-Royce doors polished and detailed inside.
All instruments, radio, and control systems fully functional.
Electric windows tested and fully operational.
Blue Rolls-Royce doors, aligned perfectly with body.
Every chrome detail shines and reflects light.
Headlights clear and bright for night driving. Final check of body, interior, and mechanical systems.
Blue Rolls-Royce drives smoothly on road.
From junkyard to royal beauty. Blue Rolls-Royce restored.
Full restoration complete. Every detail revived to perfection.